My thumb hit the horn. Just bump the horn. No big deal. Goodbye, children.
Is that why you honk?
Yeah.
Is that why you honk?
I was wondering if anybody's gonna come give me a hug goodbye.
Wait, is that why you honk, Dad?
What? Yeah, it's getting old.
But that means if you crash, you'll hurt your finger.
Oh, I don't think that's the thing I should be worried about.
Where are you gonna go, Dad?
What?
Where are you gonna go? Bye, Dad. I love you.
Bye, love you too.
Bye. Don't crash.
Okay. I still haven't tuned this thing, and I can tell. I double tuned it last time, and I think I went too far. Should probably do that today. This might be a chilly ride. It's cloudy and 65. So it's not supposed to rain. Sure, it looks and feels like it. All-way stop there, dude. All-way. 4-way stop. See me stopping? All-way stop. Thank you. Bizzity burr burr, bizzity burr. I'm starting to get shivers. Wow, it's crazy. It's July and I'm cold. Uh-oh. Is this the Tahoe? Looks like it. So cold. So cold. I should have worn my wind jacket. But it's July. Okay, well, I'll at least get to sit here and warm up a little bit. Okay, this is where I got schooled yesterday because somebody was next to me and I wasn't paying attention. Today we will attempt to pay attention. Okay, don't worry. We just have a Hyundai next to us. We should be good. That's what I would have thought yesterday, though, looking over at the Ford Lariat. This would have been like, oh, it's just a Ford pickup. That'd be fine. This weather is perfect. I gotta fix my mirror. It's a little loose. The wind like moves it around. Nothing's happening. Nothing. It's just really nice out. He upgraded. He had an old Corvette before. And now he's got the new one. That is tasty. Tasty, tasty, tasty. I would, yeah. That, I don't know why the white looks amazing. Sorry, that was a boring ride. I'm sorry that you had to edit this and go through all the footage. There's nothing there. It's part of life. Okay. We going to a restaurant? Are you ready? Yep. Whoa, whoa. Here we go. This person has their right blinker on, but they're not. They're taking a nap. My big horn. I got an air horn, but don't have it installed. Is there anywhere to park up close? Right here. Ta-da! Yeah. 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 Okay, what you need?
Food.
Oh, I meant phone, earrings.
Oh, earrings.
I have an idea. I'm gonna take her to the Jeep dealership and drive through. His foot is out the window. Oh, done? Are we done? Are we done? Are we done? Are we down? Whoopee! 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 A Jeep truck. Yeah. Easy. There's a blue one. That's what color you like? Whoa, they paved this road. It's very nice and brand new shiny. Look at the beautiful sunset. Isn't it beautiful? I wish I lived right here. Right here. That's my dream house right there. Yep, you can see the sunrise and the sunset. Woohoo! What's happening? Oh, there's a turn lane. I thought he was pulling out in front of him. This is all new right here. We're gonna go through the diverging diamonds. So you'll notice we'll be going across the road to the wrong side. Now we're on the wrong side. Oh, it's the first motorcycle I've gotten to wave to all day, and he didn't even wave. Wow. Okay, so we have a turn lane that they've put to the right. It doesn't look any different. I'm confused. Are they going to do something on the other side? Okay, there's a trick right here. Don't get stuck in the pothole. That's the trick. There's a pothole right here. I got stuck in it once. Oh, there's a guy there. Hey, that's Andrew's brother. Where's the button? Whoa. I must not be in first gear. That's the problem. I wasn't in first gear. Did you see our dream house? We could see the sunset and the sunrise in the same place, and it had 3-car garage and it had a place for a camper, and it was in the woods and it's beautiful. It's probably $1 million. Did you like to go fast? Did you like to go fast?
Yeah.
Okay. What else did you like?
Turning.
You like turning?
Turning while going fast.